So if you have, let's say, for example, a certain format that you keep on following, then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and set up a template and use it repeatedly. So right now, at the time of the recording, Google Vids does not have a template feature. But if you were to go ahead and, let's say, for example, start a new project right here, you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, go ahead onto a blank vid right here. There's the template option over here as well, but we're going to create our own template. So I'm just going to go to blank vid. So now you can simply go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, shapes as you want right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead right here, add in shapes right here, and add in color to this as well. So let's say, for example, if I were to select it, select blue as color, just like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in a text over here as well. For example, I can go ahead and add in a title right here, just like this. Let's say this is the title, and then I'm going to add in a subtitle around over here just like this as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. So I can go ahead and, let's say, for example, duplicate out the scene, and let's say, for example, change around this as well. So this is what you have right here. So I can go ahead right here and then keep it right here. If I were to go ahead and then duplicate the scene out right here, then I can go ahead and change around this particular design as well. So let's say you can create placeholders just like this and keep it as you want. So now what you can simply do is name it out as template right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and name it out as template right here, just like this. And then if you were to go to the home page, this is what you see. You got the template right here, as you can see, and now you can simply go ahead and open this up right here. So the trick is to not actually go ahead and then make changes to this, but over here what you need to do is go around onto file and make a copy of the entire video right here. So I'm just going to go around and say custom project right here, just like this, and you can go ahead and make a copy right here, just like this right here, and this is what you have. So you can see that a copy has been made right here. So this template is there, and you can see that I have made a custom project right here, which is a copy, and you can go ahead and utilize it out as a template right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and then utilize slides as template if you want to as well. So you can make a Google slide and then go ahead and import that out as well. And that is how you can go ahead and set up a template that is a project, a sample project for repeated use inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.